Alright, option 2 on our stagger. You can see if this is our rake line or straight edge. We're going to go ahead and do a full panel, 13 inches from our rake, 3, 10 inches, 18, and then back to a full. The following is our standard method when we're fastening our cottage panel. If you're in a high wind zone, make sure you look at the manual and adjust accordingly. So every full panel is going to have 6 fasteners. I got them marked here in white chalk, as you can see. We'll have 2 in the back, so I got 1, 2 in the back. And then we'll have 1 on our side lap when it overlaps another panel. And then we'll have the 1, 2, 3 along the front nose. Now this is a left to right panel. So you can see here, left to right only. So I got my side lap that's going to be underneath the panels with these ribs. Next panel comes over the top and fits nice and tight, just like so. If I'm too far one way and see a rib, or too far this way, it's not going to sit down nice and tight. So make sure we're where we need to be on that side lap. Now you can see the bottom row. Since we have our 1/2 inch overhang, we're going to go down through the top. So you can see they're marked in white here, 1, 2, 3. So they're just going to go down. You can go about 2 inches up from the edge and go down into the decking. Okay, and then you can see overlap the next panel, come back with the same idea. Now on the bottom row, or anytime you go down through the top behind like a chimney or a skylight, we're going to go ahead and take our caulking. Okay, we're going to caulk those fasteners, and then we're going to come back with our touch-up granules and put that to cover that caulking up, just to give it a little extra protection and make it look nice. Now when we get to the second row and the rest of the roof, we're going to be coming down through the front nose. So you can see when I overlap a panel here, I'm going to have my fasteners in the front nose, 1, 2, 3. Since we're overlapping a panel, we'll have 1 in our side lap, and then we'll have 2 on top. So just to demonstrate how these go in, you can see in the front nose here, we're going to make sure the panel's pushed down, go down on an angle to get back down into the decking. Just like so. On our side lap, same idea. We're just going to come in the side lap, make sure it's pushed down, come down on that angle to get that fastener into the decking. And then once we get to our top row, so you got 1 and then 2 here. When we go down, we just want to make sure we don't over tighten this. Keep that just shy of the decking on that back shelf. And then we'll continue with our fasteners. As you can see here, once we overlap our panel, same thing on the bottom in the side lap. Same here, make sure my side lap's good, and then we'll fasten as normal.